tool is Synopsys tool, where you're going to use the Synopsys 28 nanometer. So you have idea what is nanometer?
No.
That's why I'm telling you, if some BTech background, that's why I just introduce. So I will be that level I'll teach. Means I'll give that introduction like that. If somebody will, all are VLSI people, or all are somebody having the experience, so it will get to know. So what is actually what we are doing? Do we have chip design? What is the VLSI? Yeah. So VLSI, what is the meaning? A semiconductor. What has the meaning? Very, very large scale. So but nanometer size is 10 to the minus 9. So we'll design a chip with very small design. Okay, we'll see what is our work. We'll give an idea what is anal layout people will do. Then we'll come to the theory. So if you see the chip, you'll find a very small device. This is a wafer. This is a like they are selling the price. We are not going to. So this is a chip size. So this chip, we'll see how to layout people will do. So layout people work is will design the part. You can see the real chip. These are the you are thinking. If I zoom it, yeah. So this part will be designed. This is true. In chip they are using CMOS. CMOS means complementary metal oxide semiconductor. So its material is mainly consist of semiconductor. Semiconductor is the metal. It is the intersection between metal and conductor. So this is a semiconductor we are using, and some metals. This is a combination of maximum you are using CMOS. So what is CMOS? So you might have studied. So basically our circuit will consist of CMOS. This is a big tech you have studies. So this is a schematic. So you just you got idea about what is a layout people. This is a structure of layout. Layout means whatever the schematic like input is there. So we'll design into a layout form. Layout means a drawing. We'll drawing into a platform with certain tool, and that tool should support process PDK. PDK in the sense of process design kit. Means our foundry. Like in India, we don't have any manufacturing lab. In USA, some company are the TSMC, Global Foundry, and Texas. Lots of product company are there. And Samsung, they have own chip. Intel, so they are producing their own chip. So if you layout, if you do this procedure, you will see the this is chip. Okay, you got idea about what is chip. Chip you are using some mobile phone, laptop, and nowadays smart TV and iPhone. All instrument we are using chip. Chip has some specific purpose. So that schematic you will be identified, but that is not our design. Our design will be layout. So we'll show you what is layout, what is our tool supporting. So this is the I'll show you first tool, and then we'll go to what syllabus we are covering. We'll get idea, and the maximum if layout is the easiest topic compared to all the VLSI. You don't need for programming all these things. So this is the I'm opening the tool for layout tool. So just I'll give idea what is tool. Then we'll cover the theory. So okay, what is the layout means? We are people who need to do both schematic and layout. So schematic in the sense. So CMOS. CMOS having two type of MOS. One is NMOS and PMOS. You might have studied. So this is a PMOS. So is the layout is this is a layout of a PMOS. So we'll get to know what is real and how we need to draw this. Suppose NMOS. So what is PMOS, NMOS? All these things. So anybody having doubt about PMOS, NMOS? Hello? Is it audible to everybody? Chandru, Kavya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So anybody having doubt means this is a new for all are BTech or can you tell when qualification means which background like if it is okay.
Myself, sir.
Yeah, you can start.
Yeah. Myself is Kavya. Actually, I'm very much confused between custom layout and physical design. So that's why I attended physical design and then I'm attending for custom layout as well. My bachelor's is in electronics and communication, and I did my master's in communication system in the electronics only. So wanted to, my dream is to settle in like chip designing domain. So that's why I wanted to select it. But I'm not that much interested in coding. So that's why I'm putting
Yeah,
my interest in backend.
then it will be easy for you. For layout people, you don't have to worry about coding all these things because some basic like here I am using Unix. So Linux command are common. Suppose I am using a command. These are basic terms, so no need to about worry. And layout here, some of these four command. Suppose I will use ls. These are the all basic command.
Okay.
pwd, agent work directory. These are the which work directory we are working. So this few command only. You have no need to worry about command. So basically your doubt is it related to command coding? You are telling about that. You're asking that, na? Am I correct?
Yeah, but I wanted to, I'm in confusion to choose whether PD or custom layouts are. So can you please distinguish
Yeah,
clearly to me?
yeah. So I'll give the difference between what is PD and layout. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So in the VLSI industry, we have two parts. One is analog, another is digital, third is the memory. Okay,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
yeah, digital you will go front end. Front end means RTL people. RTL people are working front end. Okay, in digital
Okay.
back end is the physical design. Okay, so
Okay.
whatever, yeah, like I'll give the example. Suppose first student will be teach something idea, faculty teaching some idea, and student will get to know from that. Okay, so like who is the front end? Faculty are the front end. Student is the back end. Means after
Okay.
faculty, students will be get some idea. Like that,
Okay.
front end means it depends upon has to. So here, analog is the front end is the analog design. Okay, so
Okay.
next will be back end is the analog layout. Okay, so
Okay.
so analog layout is equivalent to physical design in the digital domain. Which one is the physical design? That is same as analog layout in the analog domain.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the one difference. And another thing I'll tell you.
And I need to actually I'm very confused to
Yes,
choose.
that's
Why?
right.
Because both of these doesn't have any coding. Sorry, excuse me.
Okay, sure.
So I'm a bit confused to take whether PD or custom layout or jobs which are more frequently in which domain, or what's the growth basis like that. Sir.
Yeah, yeah. And what is the issue now? Okay, please wait times. Hello, sir. Sorry. Hello. So is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So so what is happening now industry? The physical design people are initially 2 year. I'm talking about 2 year before. So they have many people are going for analog layout or custom layout or physical design. More number of vacancy came. Okay. So what happening now? The physical design requirement is going less because the ratio, if you compare, market have more number of physical design engineers. Okay, so some people client actually the LSA industry is running depends upon two company. One is product company, another is service company. Okay, just I'm
Okay.
giving idea. Okay, so service company means so they will depend upon like I'm telling about. I'll give idea. Have you heard of Sankalp or some Wipro? These are the service company. Okay, so they
Okay.
depend upon client like Qualcomm, Intel. They are product company. So they will hire some people for client. That is called client. So
Okay.
Intel is the client for Sankar. Suppose I am giving an example. So initially they want PD people initially because more projects are going on. Nowadays, what is happening? The project is not that much requirement. So what happening in the market value? PD engineers are hiring less. Okay, but the situation in layout you will not be higher in the analog layout domain, is a constant domain. People will not hire because that will be every time the value will be same. It will not be constant growth. If you see the some company other Texas, so they will hire continuously. Okay, this is not I'm just giving idea about what is layout domain. But if you go for layout, you have option. Suppose you will do course means you will get idea about standard cell layout. Okay, so okay, I'll give you the idea what is layout domain. Opening in how many domains you will go means if you uh, join in a custom layout, so you can go for basically we will mainly focus on analog. The market value is high, so this is the analog layout domain. You can go for standard cell layout. You can go for PV, physical verification. And last you can go for memory layout. So you have 4 options. So industry, any option you can choose. Because sometimes opening will not come, suppose analog, there is a chance of standard cell they are hiring some company. So you can go. So PV also you can apply, memory also apply. So there is option if you join first. But if you go for physical design, so only option if you opening for physical design. But now the current scenario, because some company are not hiring, like if I am talking about Altron, you can see it in LinkedIn. If you are not believing, so Altron and Mindlands, these people are, they hire initially many people PD engineer, but still they are hiring nowadays because they don't require now. So after getting job, if you hire, that is will be big headache. So I'm not telling, I'm not demotivating, but what is the real scenario I'm telling. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, instead and analog, if you're opening, if you got a chance, there is a less chance to hire because you will get a project. So better if you are in LinkedIn or any, if you are following, because that is the platform where many people will be post the what is happening in the current scenario. Okay, and now COVID also situation, hiring is less, but still it will be come into good market after they are hoping. So hiring will be done, and you will be competition will less compared to layout because PD many institute are there, but layout you will find very less institute. Okay.
Oh, okay.
That is the one. That is the one thing that is I am telling.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, next what is our syllabus will be con. Okay, any other word like what is Tony? Any other doubt? Or I'll start the syllabus whatever covering. Chandru, yeah, can you speak, Chandru?
Yeah, you can go with the syllabus.
Yeah, yeah. Like you are from BTech background, na?
Yeah, I'm from BTech. I did my BTech in electrical and electronics, and now
Okay.
I'm just looking in this custom try.
Yeah, yeah. For electrical, it will be somewhat easy because, but everybody it is easy. But generally, electrical
Yeah.
people prefer lab domain. Yeah, that's how you can tell. Okay. Next, okay. Tony, anyone, anything? Okay. So, so what is the first? I'll take some classes about electrical equivalent resistance. You might have studied in BTech and some KVL KCL equation because that will be common. Every VLSI industry they will ask some basics about resistance and this is low pass filter, high pass filter. This will be common. So you have to study for written purpose and interview purpose. And basic what is device physics like types of material. This will be very 2-3 class. It will be over. Some BJT, diode operation, and next about CMOS. CMOS. So its operation. What is NMOS, PMOS, and whatever the leakage current, tap connection. What? Okay. I will talk about what is tap and what is ID equation, MOS ID equation, what is the MOS parasitics, latch up. So latch up is a very important topic. This will be also common topic. And some this is the new second order effect like body effect, DIBL, drain induced body, velocity saturation. These are the effect we will be studying. This is the extra topic you will get to know. Next, what is Schottky diode, Ohmic contact, DFM, design for manufacture. And some layout extra topic is what is antenna effect, EMIR. So these are new. You might be hearing first time. Yeah, Tony, you are asking something. Can you hear me, Tony? You can mute this one and you can speak.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. So you are asking about verification.
Yeah, you were saying that there's more demand in verification than analog or physical design.
Hello. Yeah. Sorry.
Okay, that's it.
Sorry, I cannot hear you. Can you repeat? Okay. Okay. So these are the topic EMIR length of difference. These are the topic you might not have studied. So new thing will be covered. This is not a So now what is next we are covering? What is CMOS fabrication step? So we will get to know about what is fabrication, masking, etching, ion implantation, diffusion. So we will go inside what is all these things. So what is CMOS fabrication, stick diagram, layout, tool concept. So what is bind key, DRC, LVS error, floor plan. Okay, so each this topic I'll give you some idea. What is CMOS fabrication, all these things. And these are the small topic like which project we are going to cover. So in resume you add like LDO, so low dropout, band gap reference, OPAM. This is the LDO and BGR using generally. Have you seen an iPhone? They are using some constant voltage. Like iPhone is charging within 30 minutes. Okay, if you go for MI, some Realme, so these will be take around 2-3 hours. So we'll identify how effect of BGR and LDO. So this is the interesting topic. This is application I'm telling. So this will be now market is everywhere they are using for band gap, BGR and LDO. So this topic will cover. And OPAM, matching, current mirror, diode. So these are also there. So and then last class also will FinFET will discuss about FinFET and what is ESD and level shifter. These are the project name. Smith trigger you have studied, but this is different using CMOS. So everywhere you will find CMOS, D flip flop, PLL. So this is the big topic, PLL and DAC, ADC. So we have around 11 project will be complete. So even I am planning some real-time project also. And those who want like 1 year experience will trying to give some real-time schematic. So those having some bad, yeah, somebody is sharing video. This option turn off. Okay. So first project will be standard cell like AND, NOR or XOR will be, it will take around 14 days. So DRC we have to do what is our layout work will tell you. And the next project is OPAM, operational amplifier. Third is the band gap reference. Fourth is LDO, low dropout. Okay, I'll discuss about what is one project. So next we will go for okay. So I will tell you what is the layout, what is our work. So we can see the tool. So this is the tool. So I'll design an inverter. So this is like I'll design. Okay, everybody are there. So I'll show a demo for inverter design. So how much time will take? What is our real work? It will be like a flow. Hello.
Yeah, continue.
Any,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So I don't have anything now. We'll design an inverter. So we go for here's schematic. So this is a symbol for PMOS. Inverter is generally combination of PMOS and NMOS. Okay, I'll tell what is the idea about what is inverter. You don't any idea. I'll discuss about what is inverter. So I'm giving the work of the what is inverter. Inverter is combination of PMOS and NMOS. So PMOS means this is a bar is there. MOS means it has four terminal. So if you go for a selected one, 40 means 4 terminal. Metal oxide semiconductor. 4 terminal means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are terminal name. So one is body, one is source, one is drain, one is gate. So this is a PMOS. Another NMOS is required. So this is a PMOS and NMOS. So we need to connect. You have studied in the BTech study, you might have get. If you don't get, I'll explain also why it is inverter called. So I'm just connect. This is a wire. So if you put W, where will come? If you put P, see very easy to draw. I want to name. This is like a input. Just write pin name. It will come. So this layout is very easy course. So I'll if background is even BTech diploma people also in the industry, even BSc people also there. Means some people having not background related, they are doing very nicely. So you no need to worry about this is a very difficult course. You just need a time to. This is like a drawing, and some good drawer means you need some intelligent brain. That is the end. So BTD. Okay. If net name I not been given, this is BSS. See, I didn't give any net name, so that is wrong. Delete. Output also there. Put W. This is the inverter design is completed. PMOS and MOS inverter output. So this is a schematic. Now we go for layout. So what is our work? Okay. So already I have, it will take time. So PMOS I have layout. This layout is there. So this is PMOS. So it's layout already there. SIP tape. So this is a PMOS. So next NMOS, put I, NMOS will select. So this is your NMOS. Okay, so what is the inverter? PMOS and NMOS will be connected. So we need a, this is called wire, but in theoretical, we need a connecting wire, like a, we related to our real-time world. How will connected a current will pass through a conductor. So in chip, when passing a current, you need a wire. So in layout term or theoretical term in the VLSI, that is called metal. So to connect a metal, this is a, in the tool we have some metal. This is a layer I'll tell you about. I'll give some idea also. So this is a metal one. Metal one is the connecting between. Okay, and we have, I told already, this is a, this red is a poly. So what is poly? This length will identify. See, this is length I am measuring. This is 30 nanometer. So whatever you are seeing, this is in 0.03. So our technology is 30 nanometer, 0.03 micrometer. If you convert it into nanometer, so all tool will support in terms of micrometer. So nanometer, you are telling a 7 nanometer, 5 nanometer. This is in VLSI term. So everywhere you will get nanometer terms. So this is will identify. This is fixed. So this is 30 nanometer fixed. So what is 30 nanometer? Okay, if anybody is having doubt, will understand the point. So now this is a tool drawing. So now people are having no idea about what is nanometer. I'll give some basic idea about. CMOS and NMOS. So if you draw a NMOS, the schematic of a NMOS, this is a schematic. So whatever I draw, I'm just designing concept. If you understand this concept, so layout will you understand why that is red symbol or green symbol are coming. So I draw a 4 terminal. One is source, one is drain, one is gate, another is body. So this is the 4 terminal. So 4 terminal source drain. NMOS means NMOS. N for N implant. MOS for metal oxide semiconductor. Okay, NMOS means we have N type of semiconductor, P type of semiconductor. Are you getting everybody? Because this is a BTech basic. We discuss about theory. First you discuss theory, then will be tool concept. So whenever tomorrow class also will be, I'll go to this concept because this is to understanding the what is NMOS semiconductor. You might have forgotten because BTech they will learn. Nowadays they are not going that much depth because of course VLSI is the structure. You might have studied or not. So I'll go. Also, no need to worry if you are joining. So N plus. Okay, and this is a body. Body means here P sub. P sub means P type of semiconductor there. So just assume this is a P type semiconductor. See, gate is not connected. So MOS is a voltage connected or gate current control device. MOS is a voltage control device. So voltage control device means your gate and source and drain are isolated. Isolation means that is not electrically connected. So body, yeah, so just understand the point. So what is the impact of a channel? I'm going to what is channel, means 7 nanometer, 9 nanometer, you are listening, but you don't know what is the exact point. Okay. So how the channel is coming, this is a gate. So this is a gate. You have N-type semiconductor, P-type semiconductor. I'm passing a current here, like suppose 5 volt I'm giving. So your chip is connected to somewhere, but chip inside this is connected to 0 volt. So will any current flow happen? So this is a P-type semiconductor. This is N-type, N-type. Okay. So current flow requires a closed path. Suppose I'm sending a 5 volt here. It's a very easy topic. 5 volt here. I'm connected. Here 5 ohm. What is the current here? Anyone?
1 amps.
Current is 0, not 1 ampere. This is open circuit. For current flowing,
Yeah.
you need a closed path. Okay.
Well,
This is the best. Yeah. So in this case, you are applying 5 voltage, 0 voltage, but here this is an open circuit because P substrate. You need a same channel because electron will be transferred from one to layer like positive. This is a positive, negative. The current will be flow electron opposite direction. So electron will be travel from opposite direction. The electron will be emitted in this direction. Current will flow opposite direction. Okay, that is the concept. So if you go here, so gate, if you apply positive voltage. So I applied positive voltage here. Suppose 10 number of positive charge is there. So it will attract 10 number of negative charges. But in P substrate, that is a majority and minority concept will come. So suppose here 1000 number of positive charge are there, 100 number of electron will be there. So this electron will be attract and deposit. Depends upon gate voltage. Okay. So this will be deposit, electron will be here. So 100 number of electron will be deposit here. Okay. So this will be create a channel. So this much is called 30 nanometer. So gate length, that is called also gate length or channel length. So whatever you are seeing in the technology, that is 7 nanometer. And N plus is called, one is source, one is drain. Okay. So now you see, and this is N-type semiconductor, N-type semiconductor. So see, this is here. This is a poly. Why it is side, I will tell you. That is some design root specification. So this is a poly 30 nanometer, and this is one is this yellow to yellow is called source, one is drain, and these are not connected, electrically isolated, and you need 5 volt you have to give. How to give? Because this is a yellow one is a diffusion means N-type semiconductor. So you need to connect. That is called contact. This is white is contact, and this is a metal. So what is contact? Means I want to give a 5 volt supply to this N-type semiconductor. So through contact, you require a contact. Like you are connecting from one is semiconductor, one is metal. So you need a contact. You got the point? Or anybody having doubt? So this is 30 nanometer. This is a connection outer world. So through metal, we can connect to outer world. You need to supply voltage. Okay. And this is green you are seeing. This is N implant. So I will show you one layer. Suppose you want to see N implant. So this is an implant. This whole area is covered by N implant. And this is black one is by default will be P substrate, P type of semiconductor. Because it will be identified. They are designed like that. and we want to give a poly. Poly is the same as get in the schematic. So this term, if you are listening first time, first two concept, if you understand the basic concept, layout will be very easy. So no need to worry about this. This learning is very easy. So get is isolated, is not connected. So this is a poly. This is diffusion, means if you put diffusion and implant, it will act as a source. This would be drain. So this much area will be for given for source. This much area given for drain. Okay, but we need to connect source to some voltage we have to give it. That's why you need a contact. So this is a contact. You need a metal one. Then if you metal one is not sufficient, we'll go for metal two. Like we have metal 6 up to metal 9. In this technology, we have metal 9. Okay, after this drawing, you have to check, means we cannot place the device as it is. See, we have to test. Yeah, we have this is DRC and LVS. What is DRC? DRC means design rule check. Okay, so yeah, design rule check means it will identify whether, suppose I will give you an example. I will show you once what is design rule check, so we'll understand the point. Means you will place the device what the foundry want. Foundry means they want to, you should not do metal one like a, okay, some design we cannot do our wish. We have to follow their rule. That is called rule. Because what is, suppose Newton's law, everywhere we are following, that is fixed. Here we have some certain rules for technology. Like for 7 nanometer we have to follow like this. For 28 nanometer we have to follow same rule. We cannot do like that. That is called rule. So I am taking a PMOS. So this is a poly. So I draw poly. Why, somebody will ask, why you try to draw like this, you extended it. So this is okay. Then I'll tell what is design rule basic base. I run DRC. So now you'll get some rule. This is the error rule. This is at the error. So if you go for, so minimum extension of the gate should be 0.85. It will show you what is, if you highlight here, go to layout, see it is showing. So this extension is asking 0.085 minimum 0.085. So this rule we have to follow. That is called DRC. So I'll draw this poly up to 0.085. Then run DRC. So you will not find that error. This is one error. So that error went. Another error is there. So we'll go like this. So poly enclosure by P implant should be 0.065. Highlight what is poly and P implant or N implant. So we will check. So how to go check? This is a NOL. Okay. So you have P implant and poly. Poly is the gate I already told. So this is, we'll check. See. So it is asking, it should be 0.065. Zero point 0.065. So I draw here valid you have to click, that's why it is not selecting. So now it is selecting. Save and run. So this is the how to clear the DRC. So it will be clean now. So once you teach about fabrication, you will get to know what is the rule. So because one class will not tell everything, it will see completed with no error. So every project you have to completed with no error. So this is a DRC. So you can search what is the Google also, what is the layout work, DRC LVS. It is very important. Next will for LVS. So I'll show you one inverter. This is inverter layout. If you do run LVS means it will match your schematic and layout. Means whatever in front end and back end will be same or not. So front end means inverter. I told already I draw a schematic diagram like PMOS, NMOS connected. That is called front end. So V in V, this is a pin check, this is PMOS, NMOS. Whatever layout, it will match. Schematic versus layout. See, it is pass means you're correct. If you fail means schematic and layout is not matching. So what is schematic in the sense? See, all the schematic Yeah, now actually I am facing some internet issue. Okay, tomorrow will be session. Okay, are you there, everybody? Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
yeah, I missed some internet issue. Okay, so what I am trying to say, tomorrow will be session class. If you want to join, tell. So actually, I will introduce myself. I have done MTech from NIT Surat. Okay, is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm just introducing myself. I have done MTech from NIT Surat. Currently, I'm working in AMD processor with technology 5nm and 7 nanometer. Okay, and this is my introduction. I have already in VLSI Institute around 1.2 year around. I am teaching it here. Okay, and I have
Okay, sir.
experience. Yeah. And in layout, and I'm basically I'm working in analog domain. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is my introduction. So if you join, good. Okay, almost is cover, I think. And this PPT, if you want, just mail me. You can write your mail in this chat box. So I'll send this training PPT.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and I will share every time some PPT material. So every class will be cover some material. So I prepare almost. So I'll show you what type of material is there with me. Okay, anybody having doubt, you can ask me. Any issue?
No, sir. No.
Yeah, any sorry, anybody's ask? Yeah. I will cover that. Tony, okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, what is the job scenario in the layout domain?
See, it is the depends upon market value. So previously it was good. Now the COVID situation, all sector are down. Because I'm speaking. Yeah. And if you join, opening will come means even layout domain bulk hiring will be there. Some company will hire 10-15 people also. In institute also came because last batch also in this previous batch I'm telling around
Okay.
3 people got job. Like Infosys, Infotech they got job. Hello.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. So it depends upon market. So I cannot guarantee that. Depends upon market. They will come and hire you. Even you will see recent scenario. It is because of the COVID-19. It is facing issue. We cannot guarantee anything in all sector because that is even software also and VLSI. The hiring is not that much high because project is coming. It depends upon project should be more. But future is there means after 2-3 months when course will complete that future will be good. That we can expect. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. That is
Yes,
frankly
sir. Sir,
speaking
actually,
because
sir, I'm both.
hello.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Tell.
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, actually, sir, I'm interested in both physical design and layout. Sir, what's your suggestion, sir? Which domain should I join?
For me, I will definitely analog with this domain. But if is because nowadays market is and physical design, if you are interested in skill, meaning programming, then you go for physical design. Hello.
Okay. Okay, sir. Right.
You need to know about Tickle and Paul. You have to go. Then you go for it because some people. Yeah,
So
I have no. Hello.
So your voice is not audible, sir.
Okay, I am speaking again. If you are strong in programming, you go for physical design because some people are
Okay.
interested to. Because if you go there joining, you are not getting understanding. That is different case.
Hmm.
Okay, then you will say why should I join physical design and because they have some top level because you have in market you will get 1000 people more people are in physical design, so you will be top, then you will be chance of getting a job because many people are jobless. So it is depends upon you what you want and you have to perform better.
Hmm.
Then, yeah, and effort will be less here effort less, but it depends upon your what you want. This is your individual choice. I cannot force you like you will join here or there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And you compare because this is you have lots of resource nowadays. You can Google which one the better domain and what is the market current scenario like that. Because it is somebody will I will tell you join because I am teaching like this is not a good. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, you will take PD class or sir layout class?
No, layout only I will take.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anyway, any other doubt anybody having? See, that is depends upon market. Market means what is current scenario, all these things. Okay,
Yes,
so yeah,
Mhm.
and this is like LSA industry is very unpredictable. And you are thinking pay wise everything. It is also a good opportunity. You will get good like 3 year after 2-3 years people are getting 14 lakh package. Let's start this company and fresher some good in analog layout domain also. So package wise is not big worry.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So getting into VLSI, you have to go any domain VLSI. That is a big.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just getting inside in VLSI is a top. Yeah. Okay. Anybody having doubt, or I'll send the PPTs here. because some 6 months we
Sir, voice is not audible, sir. Hello. Hello.
yeah. Anybody want to speak? Okay, it's almost over. Yeah.